let's get going. And I'm very happy to share this recipe with you. The very first thing I want to teach you, and sometimes I even screw it up, so don't sweat it, is called a jambalaya, not a jambalaya, even though it's J-A-M. My wife always corrects me when I screw that up. She says, there's no jam in jambalaya. But hey, tomato, doesn't really matter. As long as you understand what I'm saying, it's all good. So what is a jambalaya? Well, a jambalaya traditionally is a rice dish cooked in a pot with 3 proteins: chicken, sausage, and prawns. And they have some tomatoes, some flavors, some vegetables, and stuff like that. We need to do some prep first off. Oh yeah, baby, that's good, man. and we'll make some more incredible dishes just like this one. All right.